Something smells suspiciously good in the break room, and it's not just the coffee. Sniffles about to find out why Gen 2's brew is causing a stir. Hey, it's Zeff, being the barista. Part 11.
Glad that miserable robot and annoying workers are having their lunch outside the office today. Better enjoy this while I can. A nice cup of tea with my meal would be good. Back! This ain't tea. It's coffee. Among all things, why did I drink this coffee? It's as tasty than the oolong tea at the tea salon downtown. It has a great aroma. What am I going to do about Gen 2? He's really making a great coffee.
Oh my! Sniffles, you've tried Gen 2's coffee. Tell us more about the experience you felt. We're all ears. We'll leave a like and comment for that. Till the next episode of Hey, it's Zeff.